AI predicts Survivor 46, and here's the trailer. In Survivor 46, the players are in for a wild ride. Soda Thompson will try to outwit everyone with his love for fizzy drinks, while Mariah Gonzalez will show off her survival skills by foraging for coconuts. Tim Spicer will attempt to spice things up by starting a secret alliance with Venus Vafa, who will be too busy stargazing to notice. Bahunu Gabal will strategically hide idols in his turban, while Tevin Davis will charm everyone with his smooth dance moves. Radana Montalvo will try to build a raft out of bamboo, but Ben Katzman will accidentally set it on fire while trying to cook fish. Hunter McKnight will be the resident hunter tracking down food for the tribe. Liz Wilcox will entertain everyone with her stand-up comedy routines, while Tiffany Irving will be the queen of puzzle challenges. David Jelinski will be the master of disguise, blending in with the jungle foliage. Jamelia Jim Hassan Adams will meditate her way to victory, while Kinsey Petty will be the tribe's fashionista, rocking coconut bras and palm leaf skirts. Charlie Davis will be caught singing Taylor Swift songs at the top of his lungs, much to the annoyance of the other players. Q Burdett will attempt to build a treehouse for strategic meetings, but Mariah Gaynor will accidentally knock it down while practicing her yoga poses. Jessica Jess Chong will be the tribe's chef, whooping up gourmet meals with limited resources. And just when things couldn't get any crazier, Jake's grandma will parachute onto the island and knock out a player with her purse, claiming it was just in good fun. With alliances forming, backstabbing aplenty, and challenges that test their limits, Survivor 46 will be a season to remember. And now, here are how the AI thinks the first 2 episodes of the season will go. In the premiere episode of Survivor 46, the castaways are dropped off on a deserted island, ready to battle it out for the title of sole survivor. As they scramble to build shelters and gather supplies, Tevin Davis immediately stands out for his fruity personality, decorating the camp with pineapples and bananas. Meanwhile, Maria Gonzalez leads a yoga session to relieve everyone's stress, but Ben Katzman accidentally knocks over a stack of coconuts, causing chaos. Buana Gabal tries to organize a search party for a missing idol, which turns out to be hidden in Tevin's fruit basket. During the immunity challenge, Liz Wilcox dominates the puzzle portion, securing victory for her tribe. Back at camp, alliances start to form, with Venus Vafa and Jamelia Jim Hassan Adams plotting a blindside against Charlie Davis, who has been singing Taylor Swift songs non-stop. At Tribal Council, the tension is high as Jeff Probst reads the votes. In a shocking turn of events, Charlie Davis is voted off after his off-key rendition of Shake It Off annoys the entire tribe. With tears in his eyes, Charlie bids farewell to his fellow castaways and becomes the first person voted out of Survivor 46. In episode 2 of Survivor 46, the castaways wake up to a day filled with drama and challenges. Radon Montalvo, still reeling from not being the first voted out, starts teasing his daughter for being better survivor than him. Maria Gonzalez decides to start a coconut-based fashion line, modeling palm leaf skirts and coconut bras for the tribe. Soda Thompson becomes the self-proclaimed Soda King, hoarding all the fizzy drinks for himself. Tim Spicer tries to start a fire, but accidentally sets his own pants on fire, leading to a hilarious chase around the camp. Bahunu Gabel unveils a new strategy of hiding idols in his turban, causing confusion among the other players. During the reward challenge, Tiffany Irvin surprises everyone with her incredible balance, securing Applebee's for her tribe. Meanwhile, David Jelinski gets lost in the jungle and accidentally stumbles upon a hidden immunity idol, thinking it's just a rare jungle artifact. As tensions rise, alliances shift, with Kinsey Petty and Q Burdett forming a secret alliance to take down the power players. At Tribal Council, the tribe is divided, unsure of who to trust. In a shocking blindside, Tim Spicer is voted out after accidentally revealing his hidden stash of candy bars to the entire tribe. Well guys, that's going to be the end of this video. If you guys did enjoy, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe, and comment down below if you think this AI is going to be right or wrong for the Survivor season.
Hey everybody, this is Bruce here for Season 45 Survivor. Now I, Bruce, the greatest Survivor player to ever exist, demand that all of you subscribe to Meme View, that's M-E-M-E, View, and hit the like button, or if you don't, you end up like me on Season 44, alright? You don't want that, do you? Peace!